Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, on the Bitcoin chart, we are still holding in the larger sideways range, as you know, that we started actually in March. Bitcoin is just moving sideways, moving down in corrective pullbacks, and I consider this a wave 4 pullback, and this wave 4 might have finished in August. And now we could be in a wave 5 to, let's say, 100k plus. This wave 5, again, would be a 5-wave pattern. So we have a couple of ways how to get there. So for example, one way is the white scenario where we have a 5-wave move up in circle 1, then a circle 2 pullback, 3, 4, 5. Circle 1 would still be unfolding, and the internal third wave of that white wave 1 should get to 73.5k roughly, but we're not there yet. But in the white wave count, that wave 1 could finish early. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we already have 5 waves up, which is also why I'm generally looking for higher prices against key support, which is located between 53,100 and 60,960. That would all be bullish, yeah. So either in the blue count or the white count, essentially they would lead to the same, let's say, roadmap higher. And okay, slightly different roadmaps, but within the same, let's say, larger degree thesis that a larger fourth wave has bottomed on the 5th of August. Only a break below 53k would indicate something, yeah, more bearish, and would indicate that we're heading into the lower support region before actually attempting to bottom, and that area is between 43k and 49k. For now, however, I'm watching for either the blue or the white scenarios. Rather, the blue count is a variation of the white count, okay, so I don't actually see them as much, it's different. Looking at the shorter time frame, we can still see that the price is holding the upper micro support on the 1-hour chart. So there are 3 key pivots on the 1-hour chart before we enter, well, 2 actually, before we enter the larger support area that I just showed you on the daily. So the price has a chance to turn around here or here, and if not there, then the daily chart support will be relevant. Pretty much, to summarize it and to say it pretty much in a simplified way, I think the price has a good chance to move up higher more directly. Within a still unfolding blue 1 or white 3. All right. So I think the market definitely has a chance to do that. It's just important then to watch the relevant pivots and support levels, because below these, it indicates that a larger top is already in. So for now, I'm just observing those micro support areas. For example, the first one is between 64,780 and 66,540. The price reacted to it, and we've seen a small reaction. Yeah, yesterday, that's up here. But the reaction is weak, and we haven't even broken above yesterday's high. So, I mean, that would be the next target for the bulls, like a break above 67,800 roughly, and then to follow through in wave C of 3, for example, yeah? Okay, if we break that 64,780 level, as long as we're holding 61k, which is the second support area, it could still be another B wave, just a different way of counting it, like in the blue count, like an A, B, C in wave 5 of 1 in blue, which could still send us higher. But below 61k, I have to assume a more substantial top has formed. For now, it's just about understanding the short-term trend seems to be down from the Sunday high, without clear indication that a low is in, other than a small micro reaction to one of these micro Fibonacci levels. Today, I'm watching if the market can hold the upper support, and if there is, let's say, an attempt to break above yesterday's high. I mean, that would only be the first indication, because this is not a very significant swing high, but the first indication that at least a local low has formed seems to be already a local low, because that move up does look kind of different from that decline. Next target for the bulls will be a break above 69,500, this swing high from Monday, the 21st. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.